Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I'm Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. Oregon, we need to talk, okay? You are watching this video. If you're watching it on the day it came out, it is Monday, August 26th. What makes that a big deal? Well, by Sunday, September 1st, if you have a firearm that does not have a serial number on it, you will have to have brought it into compliance by that date. Otherwise, you will be in violation of Oregon's newly enacted House Bill 2005. Did a little checking around down in Oregon, see if I can get you guys some information. And we're going to try to get it out to you right now so that you can stay educated and can stay ahead of this law. So today, let's spend a few minutes and let's talk about time's running out, Oregon. How do you comply? Yeah, the video is sponsored by Taylor Freelance. Okay, you guys realize that YouTube is gonna just absolutely squish this video, right? All right, here we go. Hey everybody, this video is brought to us by our good friends at Taylor Freelance. We would normally start showing all sorts of cool stuff that they make here, but according to the new YouTube policies, we will be demonetized if we do so. So you know the stuff they're making has got to be pretty good. Hey, listen, here's the deal. American made, right there in Bellingham, Washington. They won't make your firearm, but they will make your firearm a lot better. So for more information, go ahead and click on my partner page right there. And once you're there, click on the Taylor Freelance link to see all the fantastic items that they can bring to you. For more information, go to my partner page. Okay, this is what we're talking about. We are talking about the impending deadline on Oregon House Bill 2005, set to go into effect on Sunday, September 1st. Today is Monday, August 26th. We've already talked about the case of Montgomery v. Rosenblum, the kind of last-ditch effort to try to get an injunction in place before the enactment date. That did not work. Oregon, you are looking the gun down the barrel right now. Now, I know that a lot of you probably have no intention of complying with this law, and that is fine. That is certainly your prerogative, okay? We don't tell you how to think here at Washington Gun Law. We just want to give you all the stuff to think about. Now, if you fall into the other category of individuals, however, who do want to comply with this law, that too is your prerogative. And you may be wondering, how the hell am I going to get into compliance by Sunday, September 1st? So, talk to a few FFLs in Oregon. And Oregon, this is what you need to be doing. You need to be calling around to your FFLs right now. And you need to be looking for a service that's quite similar to what Dave and all the good folks at Hammer Down Firearms in Bend, Oregon can offer, because for your rifles, they can do same-day engraving. Same-day engraving. And that is critical, okay? Oregon, you need to understand the importance of same-day engraving. If you take your firearm to a gunsmith, to an FFL, and they just work on it for 10 minutes or a couple hours, and then you take it back home that day, there is no reason for the FFL to log that firearm into their book, okay? However, if that firearm stays overnight, if it becomes a guest at Hotel FFL, well, then that firearm will have to be logged into the FFL's book, and then to be logged back out of it, to be transferred back to an individual, they would have to jump through all federal loopholes, okay? So understand that this is what happens. You bring an unserialized firearm into somebody on a Wednesday, and they say, yeah, sure, you can go ahead and pick it up tomorrow on Thursday after we have it engraved. You got to understand that you're going to go through a 4473, a background check, and any applicable waiting period down there in order for you to actually get your own firearm back. In some states where this has occurred, it's incredibly important that same-day engraving occurs, because due to bans on certain platforms of firearms, the FFL is legally incapable of transferring the firearm back to the rightful owner. So, Oregon, if you are interested in actually complying with this law, you have until Sunday, September 1st, and knowing that most FFLs are not open on a Sunday, you really got until this coming Saturday. Now, I know that there are a lot of other Oregon FFLs and gunsmiths and that are ready to help its citizens. So, I am asking for every single Oregon FFL who can assist, no matter what part of the state you are in, to go ahead and weigh in down there in the description box. There are thousands and thousands of lawful, responsible gun-owning Oregonians who may want to comply with this law. But once again, Oregon, you need to understand, if you don't have that firearm serialized by Sunday, September 1st, theoretically and technically, yes, you are in violation of the law. Listen, we're going to go ahead and link up all the applicable laws down below so that you guys can geek out on them for yourself. We'll go ahead and link up everything for Hammer Down Firearms down in the description box out in Bend. So if you're out in the Bend area, get on over and see Dave. Listen, I really want to hear from folks in the Portland, Multnomah County area. I want to hear from some folks down in Southwest Oregon. I know there's large population bases down there, and there's going to be a lot of lawful, responsible gun owners that need some help down there. If you guys got any questions about this or anything else related to what's left of our Second Amendment rights, you should know how to get a hold of Washington gun law by now, but if you don't, that's okay. That information is down there in the description box. Maybe you got an idea for a video we should be doing here at Washington Gun Law. If you do, go ahead and click on that link right there, because a lot of the good ideas we have around here are not our ideas at all. Maybe you just want to subscribe to our monthly newsletter. The ability to do that is all down there in the description box. And then finally, and most importantly, let's remember, the part of being a lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here, is to know what the law is in every situation, how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe.